Hello and welcome to another demo of the Views Vanilla Suite. My name is Al Haddad and I'm the developer of the Views Vanilla Suite. And today we're going to demo the slideshow module. To follow me, the slideshow module is this one. It's one of the other modules. And to download it, I downloaded it already on my local. I have a local site installed with some content. I haven't enabled it. Let's go enable it and start the demo. So we need vanilla, and this is the slideshow. And structure views. When you enable this module, you get an example. If you don't see this example, one of the fields is missing because it's using some fields. But let's add content. So the slideshow, just in general, it works with two things in the views. S and content type articles, and that's what I mean with two things. So you could use teaser view modes, or you could use field. Slideshow, you can have a hero kind slideshow or just a regular slideshow, text or image or anything. We do both and see what it is. And let's do this one, just click edit. And then we see the type of slideshow we have. So just by default is enable this one. I'm not playing with anything yet. I'm just gonna do this one and save and we'll open in a new tab. And this is by default. This is a slideshow. Whereas, so this is just a teaser. I'm not using any field, and you could control the teaser and add whatever you want in it. And in the option you have, so that's the default, you have the arrows on the top gonna display a little bit, you get more focused on the hover. This is one type. And the second option, this, either disable this arrow or put them on the side of the slideshow. And that's what I mean by the side. See here, outside the box of the slideshow. You have the bottom navigation, dots, pause and play, and you have the bottom navigation also, you can control it, none, numbers. So if we click here, whereas I clicked on some, no, yeah. So these are the numbers, the slideshow. So now let's go activate something different. A new button here is called Hero Slideshow. The Hero Slideshow, it's just a way of how you make an image, the hero image, and on the top of it some text. But this is going to be the slide. So if we click here, we get more configuration related for this type of things. So what we need here, so if you have watched the hero demo, this is exactly the hero, except a hero inside the slideshow. So a hero can be and have a breakpoint, and then you could disable it, and when you disable it, it gets kind of like a card collapsed. So if you have an image, it's going to be an image and title or text or something like that. And these are the breakpoints you pick from. The max width, that's not the max width for the image. The image, it gets by default 100%. This is the max width for the container of the text. The box is going to be on the top of the image. And this is the height of the box, and this is the content inside the box. How much you want it to be, percentage. And the position, this is where you position the content, top or middle or right or left. And this is the speed of the slideshow. And so if I uncheck this one, uncheck, that's what you get here. That's these are the features for any slideshow, and these are the features for that specific slideshow, that specific time. So let's activate this one. But you activate it, there is some info here. We have to follow it. So if I click apply, and let's see what's gonna happen. There is force using field. You get an error. Let's click this one because that's what it is. So we're gonna use field, so it's switch it, but let's switch it here. So we get fields, and then we add an image. I'm gonna leave this one open. Create a new one. Image. Content. And something you could create, but you don't use the URL. You just image or responsive image. I'm just gonna use this one, the white, and something if it's clickable or no. And more text for the slideshow. We want it trimmed. Let's do 160. Apply, and now let's reorder our fields. We want this one to be the back. That's the first front. That's the first group. Two groups. That's the front group. That's the back group. That's the front group. So click apply, and as you see here, here is the slideshow. If we click save, and here's more options so that we set up right. Blah blah. This is the arrow on the sides or on the top of the sides. At the top on the side. So I'm just gonna copy this one, print it here, and this is the second slideshow type. See, so this one, let's go here, and that's the page, and we can do duplicate as a block, and we just call it slideshow. And I believe this theme also has 100% hero, so let's call it hero. Hero slideshow. And this one. And save. Structure block layout. And this region. That's, so if we go, this is the default, this is the beige, and it's paginated also. So here is the big one, the 100%, and this is the regular one. And also same thing, you could play with the position and the animation, and you feel free to play with them and pick what suits you. So here on both sides. Or this same thing here on the top. And what else? There. Here we go. You see, that's what I'm talking about. The responsive. So it gets collapsed. And so even this is how much you get closer. You play with the CSS and you get and also same thing, this one has some CSS attached to it. You could disable it. What else? The background, that's the background for the text over here. The overlay text, you control it. And there is the slideshow. It pause and hover. It pause when you the mouse on the top of it. Play. That was the slideshow. I hope you liked the demo. See you in the next one.